Here's how to stop yours or your model's content from showing in certain countries.
Hey, my name's Bjorn Olsen from YourOnlyFans.com. I'm the owner of the OnlyFans Empire and Empire Forums. Your OnlyFans Empire is a management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely. It's with hotel rooms and traveling and all my different videos. Check me out at Bjorn Olsen Official on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get you back to the video.
Alright, so if you've seen my other videos, you know that I don't use any of our models' OnlyFans or any of their social media for the purposes of YouTube videos. I think that is not what they signed up for, and it would be very unprofessional for me to do so. Plus, my identity has also been banned from OnlyFans, so there's no way in hell that I can actually create an OnlyFans account and get verified using my ID. So anyway, I've had to pull up some screenshots to show you how to do this, but oh well, as long as you get the point. So to stop yours or your model's content from showing in certain countries on OnlyFans, the process is quite simple. You'll simply log in, and then you'll click in the left pane here. You'll go to settings. Once you click on settings, it will open up this little menu here, and then you click on privacy and safety. Once you click on privacy and safety, it will give you these two options here. You can either block by country or block by IP address. Now, block by IP address, that is pretty hectic stuff. That's for if you have a stalker and you want to block their whole internet connection. But you don't want to go that far. That's pretty technical stuff, but you'll just want to block by country, assuming that this model or you don't want to be shown in certain countries. Now, if this is you or your model has requested this, I'm guessing they don't want to be shown in the same country where they're from because they're probably scared of friends or family seeing their content. I'm guessing that's it. It's probably the only reason I can think of. So therefore, you'll just be wanting to block the country where the model is from. For example, if the model is from the US, by the way, if you do this, you're blocking out a massive audience, so I wouldn't recommend this. But so yeah, if your model is from the US, for example, or you are from the US, then you'll go to, as I said, you'll go to settings, then privacy and safety, block by country, and then you'll select US. What this means is that if any IP address tries accessing your OnlyFans account, and the IP address is from the USA, it is located in the USA, they will not see your account. To them, your account does not exist. Therefore, your family and friends might go searching you up, having a look, oh, she's got OnlyFans, click, go to the link, oh, it's not there. But this can only take you so far, because another request I have seen is that they don't want any of their social medias or their dating app profiles or Reddit, any of the other marketing methods or TikTok, etc., being shown in that country either. Now, here's what I can tell you. I can tell you that you can block a certain country from looking at the OnlyFans account, but there's no way that you can block specific countries from seeing your social media. So for Insta, nothing you can do. The audience is dictated by the hashtags you use, by the followers the account has. There's nothing you can do about it. There's always the possibility that someone that you know or your family is going to see your content on Instagram. Now, you might not go deliberately showing your content to them, but it could always get shared around, or they could always stumble into it. It all depends on what kind of hashtags you use and what kind of audience you have and you are catering to. So Instagram, there's nothing you can do. Dating apps, that's pretty simple. You just don't show the dating apps in that country. For example, if the model is from the US, like I said earlier, then you'll just set up a dating app profile not in the US. So you'll just set up dating app profiles in Australia, in the UK, in Asia, whatever. Now, to do this is a little tricky, and that is a whole different video in itself. I've shown other videos how to do this, how to spoof location, how to use proxies, stuff like that to show dating apps to different country. That's not in this video, but it is possible, so you can do that. TikTok audience is dictated by the SIM card number. So for example, if you have TikTok on your phone and the SIM card has a number that is tied to the US, so if you have a US mobile number, then that's how TikTok determines the audience that will see your content. So if you don't want people in the US, for this example, to see that content, then you use an Australian SIM card with an Australian number, because TikTok will go, okay, here's the number on the mobile device. The number is from Australia, therefore, we will just show the content to Australia. Anyway, so to wrap it up, there's no real like guaranteed 100% way to stop any certain people from seeing all of your content, but this is the best we got. So I hope that helped. If you liked the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.